Want to send your electronics email signature from your mail apps on iPhone? Well, look no further. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can add a signature or a signature picture from your iOS device. Here's how you can do it without using a computer. Solution: send an email to yourself with the image. Open Mail Apps, add the contact from here. Tap on Send from iPhone section. Tap the pen icon. Choose your pen style. Tap plus. Tap Add Signature. Tap Add or Remove Signature. Tap plus icon. Add your signature here. Tap Done. Resize it from here if you want. Tap Done. Tap Saves to File. Tap Saves. Now from your keyboard, again tap pen icon. Tap plus icon. Tap the Add Signature. Select your signature from here. Tap Done. Tap Insert Drawing. After that, your signature will be added here. If you scroll down, you can see the image has been added here. With these steps, you'll be able to include an image or logo in your email signature on your iPhone without the need for a PC. Let me know if you need any more assistance.